Oh my. Hi. Hi. Oh, how do I get you off? Ah. Oh, nice bird. Oh, nice bird. Oh, hello. Oh. Oh no.
Just put your hand right there, Grandma.
Oh no. He's getting mad.
You wanted another piercing in your ear, right? Later, you said piercing where? Where do you want your piercing at?
What? Can you do that? Sweet voice? Ah! Ah!
He listened to you.
Ah!
Look at him.
Oh. What?
Wait.
He is. Watch Chris if I go.
Don't put those too close to each other, Emma.
Good.
Daddy, come here.
You do.
He did.
You do.
Do it again.
He just tried to bite my lip off. What the hell's your problem now?
I'll give you a piercing in your lip, lady. You want piercing in ear or lip? Oh, the glasses!
Okay, we're done. Party.